Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing how to find your RAM specification on Windows 10. So you need to download one software. Search CPUID on Google and download that software. If you're going to the website, you can directly visit CPUID.com and check the corresponding version that you're checking. So it's Windows 10. I'm using a Windows 10 computer, so download the Windows 10 versions. There is setup file in different formats including Chinese, so I'm downloading the normal exe file. Download now. It's very small file, only 2 MB or something. Accept the agreement. Next, install, and the installation is also very simple. So you can see the icon on the desktop, CPUID, double click on it, and here you can see the CPU specification, but what we are discussing today is memory. So just click on the memory and you can see the type of RAM that you are using, DDR4. If it's a DDR3, it will show DDR3, and you can see the total says 8 gigs and NB frequency is written there, and channel, which means you have dual channel in your laptop and you have used both of them, and a lot of other RAM specification is displayed down, and if there is a graphics or a graphics memory, it will show there, but right now there is no graphics card. So I believe this video was helpful guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel, click the bell icon for notification. Take care. Goodbye.